It's right there. Get it. It's right here. Yeah, you want this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm too slow.
Do you think an ant would die if I put a flashlight straight on top of it?
Why are you trying to kill them all by one?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find some ants that you left.
Where are they?
You're
Are they in here?
You are dumb.
Are they in here?
Look at me drag your dog. Come on here.
Where are they?
You are dumb.
Where are they?
You are dumb.
What? See if there's any ants in it.
I already killed them.
Then why are you asking? Go capture ants. They're all gone, Danny. Allie's so pretty.
Go get it.